To remove the optical drive, first remove the access panel. Some units will have a Torx head grounding screw for the optical drive data cable on the chassis metal above the hard drive bays. Detach this screw if present. Detach the power and data cables from the back of the drive. Note that the SATA data cable has a latch that must be pressed to free the cable. Press on the green drive release latch at the rear of the drive, then slide the optical drive forward and out of the PC. If replacing the optical drive, separate the green drive release latch from the old optical drive by pulling it firmly off of the drive. The green drive release latch has 3 small pins on the inside edge. That fit into small holes on the slim optical drive. To install the latch on the drive, press the latch pins into their holes on the new drive. To replace the optical drive, align the drive into its bay with the green drive release latch aligned toward the bottom of the unit. Slide the drive until the green drive release latch snaps into place. Replace the SATA power and data cables to the rear of the drive. If the unit has an optical drive data cable with a grounding screw attachment, feed the grounding cable through its access hole on the chassis metal above the upper hard drive bay. Secure the grounding loop with a Torx head screw to the chassis metal.